I come in, sir?
Come in.
Good evening, sir. Good
Good
evening.
evening. Be seated.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Jatin Kumar,
BADI.
BADI.
Yes, sir.
You hail from which place?
Sir, I belong to Suvarnapur.
Acha. Suvanpur. Of which block?
Sir, Biru Maharajpur.
Acha. All of a sudden, this Birumarajpur people rose from their deep slumber, and for a pretty long time there was no sound of Birumarajpur people.
Sir, slumber, now that is not a...
And they have risen from their sleep, deep sleep. Previously they had a deep. Could you get my point?
Sir, I could not get the point, sir. Sorry.
Slumber means sleep.
Yes, sir.
So, अच्छा ठीक है. So Jatin Kumar Badi, you introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Jatin Kumar Badi. I have born and brought up in the village of Jartasinga in Suvarnapur. I have done my schooling from my village high school. Then I did my graduation in English literature from Angul Autonomous College, sir.
Achha.
Then I have been preparing for civil service.
Since when?
Sir, from 2020, sir.
2020.
Yes, sir.
This is for the first time.
No, sir, this is my third attempt, sir.
Third attempt, but for first
Interview, sir.
Very good, very good. There is a scheme like Pura. Pura. Do you have any idea about Pura?
Sir, exactly unable to recall, but sir,
You know that.
that is related to rural development, sir.
Rural, not. Yes, to some extent, that is a mixture. Provision of urban, provision for urban amenities in rural areas. Provision of urban amenities in rural areas.
Yes, sir.
That is related to rural areas, but urban amenities are to be provided.
Yes, sir.
So that is a Pura.
Yes, sir.
Who pronounced this? Who enunciated this
Sir,
scheme?
if you allow me, then I will make a
Yes.
guess. M.K. Gandhi.
Huh?
M.K. Gandhi.
M.K. Gandhi. What is M.G. Narega?
Sir, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, sir.
Act. When was it enacted?
2005, sir.
What is the objective behind it?
Sir, it's commit to provide 100 days of work to rural people, sir.
Rural people, even
Yes.
skilled people.
No, sir, every people, that's skill or unskilled, sir, every people, unemployed people, sir.
100 days guarantee to the unskilled laborers of the rural areas.
Yes, sir.
For creation of assets.
Yes, sir.
100 days guaranteed work
Yes,
to be
sir.
provided to the rural people or rural unskilled laborers.
Yes.
Not skilled laborers are there doing their job.
Yes.
Is it successful in your area?
Yes, sir, it is successful. Many people, they are getting employment, sir. And they are,
Normally, what type of job they are undertaking under name?
sir, sir, village pond rejuvenation, in road construction, sir, they are deploying.
Are they doing it manually or they are using machine?
Sir, right now, sir, the system has been changed, sir. So some dishonest people, they are using, sir, machine, sir, instead of, sir, a human, sir.
Is it being appreciated by the people in rural areas or some type of politics is going on?
Sir, mechanization of labor, that is actually cannot be appreciated by the people. That is highly condemnable, sir, because that is especially made for the provide to employment to the rural unskilled people, sir.
Do you have any role to play?
Sir, no, sir.
You don't have any role to play. You are a villager. You are an educated villager. You see that instead of manually doing, they are using machines in a mechanized manner.
Yes, sir. Some of times, sir, I discuss with my people, sir, in my village people, but they also understand the reality, and it's all about, sir, politics, sir. Some of the people, those who are in powerful place, sir, they are actually doing, sir,
What is FRI?
Sir, FRI.
FRA Act, FRA.
Sir, that is Forest Right Act, sir, 2006.
It is meant for whom?
So for tribal people, for
Only?
yes, sir, for
Only tribal people.
indigenous people, forest inhabitant to use the forest material for their livelihood, sir.
When was this act?
2006, sir.
2006.
Yes, sir.
What is the quantum of land to be allotted to a allotee?
Sorry, sir, unable.
To a forest dweller?
Sorry, sir, unable to recall, sir.
What is the act?
Sir, Right to Education Act 2009 under Article 21A of Indian Constitution, sir.
Acha. What is right RTI?
Sir, that Right to Information Act that's come under Article 19 as that is guaranteed of a fundamental right. Sir,
Fundamental rights.
yes, sir. Come under Article 19, sir.
It's
Right
not
to
fundamental rights.
right to know, sir.
It is Right to Information Act. Prior to that, what act was there?
Sir, government functionary that the common citizen they will know through for transparency for a good governance, sir. There is a act RTI through that.
Any citizen can ask for information from any office.
Yes, yes.
Under this particular act. Or prior to that, what type of information was being served to the common citizen?
Yes, sir. Which is that is relevant to public domain, sir. Not sensitive information like military information.
Prior to RTI, there was Official Secrets Act 1923 during British regime. There was complete secrecy in the office, the public offices. No information was revealed to any public. Only the MLAs and MPs, they were getting their information through raising voice in their assemblies or in the parliament.
Yes.
So prior to that, this Official Secrets Act 1923. ठीक है sir.
Jatin,
Yes, sir.
you belong to Sonpur district, right?
Yes, sir.
Who is Rasananda Meher? Rasananda Meher.
Sir, Rasananda Meher is a handloom, sir, weaver, sir, who is associated with Sonpuri Pathasari, sir.
Any other?
Chaturbhuja Meher is also, sir, is another eminent person who is,
Any award was given to Rasanand Meher? Important award?
sir, Padma Shri.
Sure. Are you sure?
Sir, not sure. I will make it case, sir. If you,
Okay. You have already made the guess.
sorry, sir.
No issue. Have you written any short story recently?
Yes, sir. In 2023, sir, written a short story against for sir women empowerment, a war against society.
What was the title of that short story?
A war against society.
Okay. What was the theme?
Sir, how the child marriage that is going in our society, sir. This is some well-educated girl child. They are raising their voice against this society, and how they have fought against this society to against the child marriage, sir, to stop child marriage.
Still, child marriage is there in Odisha.
Yes, sir. In some part of Odisha, still, sir, that is prevalent, sir. Keonjhar especially witness, sir, many child marriage, sir. But now it has been reducing, sir.
Okay. Suppose you have been appointed as the BDO.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the collector of the district
Yes.
forced you to manipulate some fund or forced you to take action which leads to corruption.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What would be your line of duty, or what would be your response towards that order?
Sir, in that case, sir, I will follow the rule of law, sir. I will follow the Constitution of India. With respect to law, I will exercise my power and authority.
What kind of power and authority?
Sir, what has been given as a video, sir. But if my superior authority will ask me to do so, sir, I will beg, I will seek for a written information. If you provide me a written,
But he does not give you the written. He only gave you the verbal order. Because no one will give you that manipulation would be done.
yes, sir, authority and power that must be utilized for public, sir. That should not be used for personal gain and individual gain, sir.
Fine, but what would be your response? How will you deal with that? Because he is your boss. He will maintain your service record, your transfer, your suspension, anything can be done with you. So how would you respond to that?
Sir, I will try to convince my senior authority, sir. If I fail, then I, sir, remain silent. Otherwise, I will again, sir, do contact with higher superior authority.
Are you ready to resign?
Sir, resign is not the solution in my opinion, sir. Sir, better to find negotiation and mutual understanding on that.
Okay, fine.
What is the rule in this regard? Rule 1 is, what is the rule in this regard? Rule 1 is, boss is always right. Rule 2, if the boss is wrong at any point of time, please refer rule number 1.
Yes, sir.
ବୁଝିଲ କି ନାହିଁ ତୁମ ଭଳିଆ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ଯାଇଥିଲି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଚାକିରି କରିଥିଲି ସେଇଭଳି ଭାବରେ କହୁଥିଲି ସମୟ ହେଲା ଏମିତି କହୁଛୁ ବଦଳିଗଲା।
So Jatin,
Yes, sir.
Navrampur is famous for what?
Sir, Sonpur.
Sonpur, sir.
Sir, Sonpur is especially famous for, sir, its renowned architectural heritage and famous for, sir, its Patali Siketra. And Sonpur is also, it's a holy and divine place, sir. Due to its, it is considered as the birthplace of Bhima Bhai, sir. And there are many dignitary persons, sir. Those
Bhima Bhai associated with which religion?
Mahima, sir.
What
Mahima
was the
Dharma.
objective of Mahima Dharma?
Sorry, sir.
What was the objective of Mahima Dharma?
Sir, it is a monotheistic, sir. They worship, they don't worship any ideal, sir. They believe in, sir, non-violence. They believe in truth and dharma, sir. And they worship to the nature son. They worship to the empty God, sir. They believe there is no the existence of God is no there, sir. They believe don't in existence of
And
God.
the temple, does the temple is having any kind of idols?
Sir, there is no ideal, sir.
Okay. Sunya Sunna Mahasunya.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this?
Sir, the existence of God, that's empty to empty, sir. That is unexplorable, unquestioned, sir. Which
What is
cannot
the
be.
meaning of Alek?
Alect means after written paper and paper, that will not be complete, sir. That will be remain incomplete. That is limitless to write and define the existence of God and definition of God.
Since you were answering to the sir about the social ills, some social ills, like recently there was a case of Nikita case from the Greater Noida. In a dowry case, the girl was burnt alive. How do you see this dowry in the present society of India?
Sir, Anti-Dowry Act under 1961, there is also a provision, sir.
And what is the definition of dowry?
Dowry means, sir, to give, it is a gift that is given to the groom, sir. Yes.
Migration is very much associated with your region. Why?
Yes, sir. There is a leg of unemployment, sir. That place that is highly associated with poverty and hunger, sir. There is a high level crop failure, sir. So that is the Sonpur and Sambalpur, Balangir. It is a drought-prone area, sir. So why, sir, people they are migrating, sir?
Since you have opted sociology as the optional, few days back there was articles in Hindu which talk about the obesity of India, how much obesity is going on. Any idea about the obesity?
Sorry, sir, could not understand.
Just few days back,
Yes.
there was an article in Hindu. It was about the obesity scenario of India. Are you aware of that articles or not?
Sorry, sir. I'm
Okay.
not aware.
About any kind of data comes to your mind, the figures that about the obesity of India's youth?
Indian youth, sir. Sorry, Indian youth, sir, that comprises a population of,
So
sir.
how much of obesity?
Yes, sir, that is Motapa, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir. Right now, sir, Indian people, they are found, sir, obesity.
How much?
Sir, exactly data I'm unable to recall, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Since you mentioned Gandhiji in the initial answer, and which ideas or the qualities of Gandhiji inspires you?
Sir, there is a beautiful quotation of M.K. Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others, sir. and sir, the non-violence and serve the welfare of all. This idea always attract me, sir.
Last time Gandhiji visited Odisha when?
Sir, 1921, sir.
1921, that was the first visit.
Sir, if you allow, then I will make
Yeah,
it.
definitely.
Sir, 1936.
46. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you.